Hi friends, myself Dr. Jairamaya JR, Assistant Professor of Physics, Government First Grade College, Tiptur. The title of this paper is Quantum Mechanics 1 for BSc Physics 5th semester. Today's topic is Failure of Classical Physics. The objective of the session is to reveal the fact for the failure of photoelectric effect, Compton effect, specific heat of solids. Previous session we are already discussion of the some major grounds of the failure of the classical uh, physics, stability of the atom, and black body radiation spectrum. The session outcomes are insufficiency of classical mechanics, necessity of quantum mechanics. Photoelectric effect is one of the ground to the failure of classical physics. What is photoelectric effect? The photoelectric effect means emission of electron from the metal surface. Electron emissions due to irradiated with radiations. Irradiated radiations like electromagnetic rays, X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet rays, etc. The experimental facts are it is instantaneous phenomenon. Photoelectric effect is an instantaneous phenomena. What is an instantaneous phenomena? The instantaneous phenomenon means that time lag between incident radiation and the emission electron is very less. So that is the meaning of instantaneous phenomena. The time lag between the incident and the emission is less than 3 nanosecond. Nano means 10 to the power of minus 9. Every metal has own minimum energy to emit electron is called threshold frequency or threshold energy. The energy of the emitted electron is a function of incident energy but not for the intensity of the incident. So during the photoelectric effect, the incident energy is a function of incident energy but not for the intensity. Whatever way the intensity increases, photoelectric effect not takes place. It is only the photoelectric effect is only dependent on the incident energy, not for the intensity of the incident energy. Compton effect. Another ground for the failure of the classical mechanics is a Compton effect. Compton effect means radiations of X-rays, gamma rays, etc. is scattered by the certain substances. The scattered contains two components. Whenever the X-rays or gamma rays are scattered by substances, the scattered radiations are two components. One is low energy and the other one component is that as that of the incident. That means low energy means increase the wavelength. This phenomenon is called the Compton effect. So the classical mechanics is failed to explain the lower energy component. So why the wavelength is increases? Wavelength increases means energy decreases. This shifting of the wavelength cannot be explained on the basis of the classical mechanics. So therefore, Compton effect is one of the valid ground to failure of the classical mechanics. Another ground is specific heat of solid. What is specific heat of solid? The amount of heat energy is required to rise the temperature of unit mass of the substance through unit temperature is called the specific heat of substance or solids. Another point, Dulong and Petit's law state that at room temperature, the product of specific heat and atomic weight of a solid is constant. That constant is about 6.4. For any metal, Dulong-Petit's law states that constant is always 6.4. The constant value is equal to atomic weight and specific heat. The product of these two is always 6.4. This is the Dulong-Petit's law. Dulong-Petit's law at the only for at room temperature. This law cannot be explained at lower temperature. This law is contradictory to below the certain low temperature with the experimental fact. Some multiple choice questions are set up regarding this session. The minimum energy is required to emit an electron is called. The options are stopping potential, kinetic energy, work function, none of these. The minimum energy is required to emit the photoelectron is called the work function. Answer is work function. Second question, photoelectric effect. The time lag between the incident energy and emitted electron is, the given options are nanoseconds, microseconds, milliseconds, centiseconds. Nanoseconds is -9 seconds, microseconds is -6 seconds, milliseconds is -3 seconds, centiseconds is -2 seconds. So we already discussed photoelectric effect is a instantaneous phenomenon. The time lag between incident and emission is very less. Therefore, the suitable answer is nanoseconds. Next question. The Compton scattered energy of photon is dash energy. The given options are more than the incident, less than the incident, lesser wavelength, and higher frequency. So we know that the scattered wavelength or increase the wavelength. Wavelength is increases. Wavelength is increases means energy is decreases. Therefore, the scattered wavelength is less than the incident energy is the correct answer. Therefore, option B is the correct one for these questions. Fourth question, Compton effect is explained by assuming the electron. So, in order to explain the Compton effect based on the quantum mechanics with the following assumption, the given options are, which option is correct? We are going to look. The first option, free, the electron is free and at rest. Second option, not free and not at rest. Third option is free and not at rest. Last one is anyone. So, in order to explain the Compton effect based on the quantum mechanics, assuming that the electron is free and at rest, the good option is, correct option is A, that is free and at rest. Next question, Dulong and Petit's law is not valid at, the given options are, they were not valid at high temperature, not valid at low temperature, high and low temperature, and last option is room temperature. We are already familiar regarding this. Dulong and Petit's law is not valid at very low temperature. So the references of this session, the textbooks are given. One is A.K. Upadhyaya, IK International Publishing House. Second book is R. Murugesan and Eston Company. Thank you, one and all.